You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. I'm not sure, but I think the cats have to be the nosiest creatures on planet Earth. There is no such thing as minding their business. The funny thing about it is, half the time they don't want to be bothered. So they want their privacy, but they don't respect your privacy. Come to think of it, that's not so funny. And I really got it bad, 'cause the breeds of cat that my cats are Velcro cats, meaning they follow you around everywhere you go. What was I thinking? I have no business to mind, 'cause they mind my business for me. They want to know everything. You can't have a pencil one day and come back with a pen, 'cause they gonna notice. I swear when I watch the news, they be paying more attention than me. They just nosy. And the nosiest of the crew, this guy, Robin. There's always number one in anything. This is him. Let me tell you about this guy. For those of you who don't know the stories, one of his nicknames is the Witness, because when the other cats are doing stuff, let me back up. Robin's personality is shy. He's laid back. He's quiet. He's to himself, right? And so, at first glance, he seems so precious, so innocent, so loving. Whereas we know Batman is a loose cannon and Bruh Man is not too far behind. So they get into a lot of mischief, right? Robin, he has his stuff with him too, but not so much, right? But here's Robin's thing. Robin, when the two of them, the Batman and Bruh Man, is doing that thing, you'll see Robin sitting in the fringe, in the corner, kind of just observing, you know what I mean? And sometimes what Robin will do is, he'll come, if I'm downstairs or I'm in another room from the cats, he'll come around and he'll tell me what they doing. So, y'all remember when y'all was kids, or maybe even at work on your job, is always that tattletale? That's Robin, y'all. Hey, look, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you hit subscribe and the notifications bell so you don't miss any future content. It seems like in the morning when I wake up, if I have to go somewhere or be somewhere, they know it, as opposed to if I'm just waking up and, around the house. So if I gotta get up, and normally I would get up, watch Sports Center, sports or whatever, go make some breakfast, come back, sit around, start to read some stuff, do some work or whatever. And, I may have something to do later in the day, but if I wake up in the morning and I immediately go in the bathroom and, start washing up, and if I'm shaving, they'll know that's different. And Batman and Robin, especially Robin, they'll be in the bathroom just looking at me like this. And then I grab some clothes. Anytime I go in the closet to grab clothes, I got an audience, especially in the situation I'm describing. So then if I got some clothes that I gotta iron, oh my God, it's like I'm iron and they'll jump on the iron board and be in my face like, what you doing? Cats are nosy, man. So look, I'm gonna show y'all something. See this carrier right here? I have 3 cats, so I have 3 carriers. This is where I keep them in the bedroom, right? So as you can see, there's 2 carriers missing. Now, the last week, I took Bruh to the vet. Batman tagged along, so I wound up taking his carriers. And when I bring them back home, I kind of come in the house through the basement, where the garage is. So I leave their carriers there because they play in them for a little while and the rest of that day and that kind of stuff, right? So here are these carriers in the basement, right? Now, I'm going to show y'all how nosy cats can be. I've had these carriers for years, and they see these carriers every day down here. Now, watch what happens when I take the same carriers that they have been in and seen and all that stuff for over 2 years, maybe 3 years. I actually need to get some new ones. But y'all check this out. All right. Let's see how long it'll take. A second. What? Yeah, that's your carrier. It was downstairs 5 seconds ago. Where the rest of them at? Now, of course, because I'm filming, they not coming over here. They sitting right over there in the hall. Damn cats. Another example. See these candles? They here all the time. Watch. I just moved one. He can't help but smell it. What's wrong? What happened? Watch. What he gonna do? Now he off smelling everything. That done sent him on a frenzy to smell everything on the counter. Hey, little boy, stop licking that. So the question is, why are cats this way? Well, there are a few reasons. They have a territorial nature, and they are extremely protective of what they consider their space. They must inspect every single item you bring into it to make sure it doesn't affect their territory. It also has a lot to do with their intelligence. Cats are highly intelligent animals, and curiosity is evidence of cat intelligence. It makes them want to know and figure everything out, how it works and why. Their curious minds want to explore the world around them. Their hunting instincts also have something to do with it. Wild cats typically hunt for their food. Now, domesticated cats no longer hunt for their meals, but the instinct is still there. Therefore, they're looking into every nook and cranny of the house, hoping to find something to eat. They persistently investigate everywhere because in their mind, it'll help them if they ever need to hunt, and they will know where to look for prey. Though I'm not sure what any of this has to do with them messing with me on the toilet. Listen, folks, the bottom line is if you don't want a pet that's going to be all up in your business and you want some semblance of privacy, get yourself a hamster.